sinasabi rin talaga ni Presidente na may kasunduan sila ni President Xi na meron po tayong prioridad. Meron po talaga tayong prioridad sa distribution ng vaccine na galing po sa China.
Ambassador Chito Santa Romana, our ambassador to China, is telling us a very good news during the press briefer in Malacanang na ang COVID-19 vaccine is available na sa China. And the good news is Philippines is among the priority country na bibigyan ng vaccine.
Yes, that is true. This was reiterated during the recent visit of Secretary Locsin, and if you look at the DFA statement, this was mentioned. We are among the priority countries. Of course, ASEAN in general is included here, but the Philippines in particular. Of course, this means that we have to get ready for the distribution and deployment of the vaccine. And that is why these Chinese pharmaceutical companies that are going to manufacture have been telling us that what is required really is the cold chain storage facilities around the country. Or certain strategic areas around the country, kasi when the vaccine had to be handled very well, otherwise before they can be deployed. It's nearing yung approval. I was just watching a press conference the other day of the health authorities in China, where they reported that 60,000 na yung na-administer nila as part of the phase 3, and so far no adverse reaction that they have detected. And so they're preparing the report now, and I think we will see some announcement in the near future.
Sir, yung 60,000 po, yan po yung, ano pong vaccine yan, sir? Kasi dalawa yata yan, isang Sinopharm, isang Sinovac.
Yes, meron yung dalawa, Sinopharm and Sinovac. I am not competent in terms of
Yes,
I just know what I understand from the press conference. And so those are the two leading candidates, by the way.
Okay. Sir, kung halimbawa, or is there any offer from China to use their vaccine on an emergency basis sa atin? Wala naman.
Well, wala pa dyan yung vaccine eh. So I think when you have kasi meron tayong our own domestic requirements eh. So the question now is you have to go through that. Now, people who may want, Sinovac I think has applied to conduct yung phase 3 trials Philippines, that is being evaluated by the health authorities. So the moment approve yan, then of course on an emergency basis it should be possible.
Sir, dalawa kasi yung parang, sorry sir for lingering on this topic. Dalawa sir yun kasi yung in-apply yata, sabi ni FDA Director Domingo kanina, is for the clinical trial. Now, pwede rin natin gamitin for emergency use, if ever?
I will leave that to the health authorities. I can't answer that. I'm on the diplomatic side. I facilitate the contact and the flow of information.
Just one last on this.
You have to ask the right person, not me.
Okay, sir. Sir, just one last on this topic. Sir, sabi niyo po na sabi ng China na priority yung Pilipinas na bibigyan. Pero meron po bang pledges in terms of the number of vaccines that they are ready to give? And is this going to be for free?
This is subject now to discussion. No? Where this is a matter that will entail more exchanges and discussion. So I cannot give you a definitive answer right now. But definitely in terms of number, how they will do it, because it depends on they're talking of hundreds of millions in terms of production, no? Dito sa China. So the question is yung distribution and deployment. Of course, the Chinese have also joined the WHO initiative, no? The COVAX system. So that they're doing it on different tracks, bilateral and multilateral. So a lot of it in terms of numbers will depend on their production, no? And I know the Chinese, from all reports, have now been preparing. No? They're preparing their manufacturing facilities for the mass production of vaccine the moment approval is announced. No?
Yes, sir. So, sir, November ang production, and kung kailan siya makakarating sa atin?
Optimistically, November,
Okay.
December. Near future. In the near future is the
Okay.
term they're using.
Alright.